Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup healthy. Start by selecting the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find. They are the foundation of great flavor and nutrition. Steer clear of pre-made options that often contain excessive salt and unwanted additives. Instead, focus on building your soup from scratch. Adding fresh herbs like basil and oregano, along with spices, not only enhances taste, but also provides beneficial compounds for your body. To truly elevate your tomato soup's health profile, pack it with more vegetables. Carrots, celery, and spinach are excellent choices, adding fiber and essential vitamins. Opt for a low-sodium vegetable broth to control your salt intake while still providing a rich base. Don't forget a healthy fat. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil can help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the tomatoes and other veggies. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips on making delicious and healthy tomato soup, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. On another note, just as we're making healthy choices for our bodies, it's wise to make healthy choices for our finances. I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When cooking, begin by sautéing aromatics such as garlic and onions in a little olive oil. This builds a fantastic flavor foundation. Allow your soup to simmer gently, which helps meld the flavors beautifully while preserving the delicate nutrients in your fresh ingredients. For that luxurious, creamy texture without the added calories of heavy cream, simply blend your soup until smooth using an immersion blender or a regular blender.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.